What's up, guys? It's me, Packy from the house, and today I have two amateur challengers for $200 of my money. And today we have a little special bonus. We have a 300 game bonus for $300. So if either of those two shoot 300 in the championship match against me, I'll give them an extra $300. So there's $500 on the line. Per request, last week's challengers, Jerod and Colton, are coming back, and they've been chirping a little bit. They've been smack talking. So I know it's gonna be a little feisty one tonight, but hopefully I can come out on top again. Let's get to the bowling alley where they're probably going to beat my
Take all of Packy's money.
I'm so proud of him. Hate throwing bad shots.
Why did it do that?
The lane hooked too much. That's not his fault. That was embarrassing.
That's why you don't celebrate.
Wow. I did everything wrong.
Overrated. Prove it on the next shot.
Come on.
Bowling's all about luck, not about skill. 100%. All
That's
about
good ball
luck.
reaction. That's good ball reaction. I'm gonna tell everybody at home, I 3-pinned in practice. It's probably gonna be a 6-board move. I don't need any Oompa Loompa help in this video. Oh, come on. That was embarrassing.
Hit a
Oh, he has to propose first.
I don't throw any good ones.
Wow. I did everything wrong.
Yeah, when you're actually good and you can do more than throw it up 10, you do stuff like that. Every time, look, 15. Oh, wow, a little bit of shape. He's getting good, guys.
This was my sweeper ball during the Southwest tournament, so I felt like I needed to let it out of its cage. Nova.
Nova's going to be there after this week. Pack, you think a ball change or stay with this one? All right, let's just focus up a little bit more. Post the shot. I just asked a professional bowler if I ball change, said, no, stay with it. Oompa Loompa. Top City.
Until I would come out and support. I think it had to.
5 through the middle, I like it. You either shoot 300 or I win this game, no in between. Take all of Packy's money. Oh, wow. He's not missing. Just so everyone knows, we just finished league, and right now Jerod's on a 16 bagger from league, so great time to like 8-pin.
Oh, come on. Halfway update, I have halfway meaning I have 6 in a row. I only need 6 more for a perfect game. I just learned that Packy, the 300 bonus only applies to the championship game, so that's not my choice, though.
I'm just here so I don't get fined, you know. This sucks. Why didn't I start with that ball? This game sucks. Oh my God, I hit the out of that. Hey Jerod, I'm only on here for the short jokes.
You're back. So the viewers know, because I don't know if Packy's he'll probably post it on social media, but he bowled 2 300s tonight. Different pairs, very impressive. I had a 223 one of my games.
But the other one, great games, great games. Oh.
Go! 2 8-10s. He's like a 20% 2 8-10 maker.
Oh my God, it's gotta go. Packy, I am sorry.
That was like 3 right.
He's gonna choke so hard though. Oh.
Don't give me that. Don't give me that.
It's my nosebleed section for Jerod. Oh my God. Oh! Oh, he fouled. He fouled. That's why you don't celebrate.
That didn't count. Ball had already been released.
I want a slow-mo
We'll see
replay of
the
this.
slow-mo. That's why there's a camera.
Line. The ball never lies. Way to not strike. It still doesn't count.
Are we gonna give it to him?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, no. And if not, I bowled 13 strikes in one game.
And as always, if you guys want, we have a 60K subscriber giveaway. So the #1 rule of that giveaway is you gotta subscribe, and the #2 rule of that giveaway is we're not giving anything away until we hit 60K. When we do hit 60K, we're giving away a free bowling ball to someone who has entered and is a subscriber of the channel. And we are also giving away a beautiful piece of North Rock Lane signed by me.
Good luck.
Good bowl well.
300 bonus is in play if you keep your foot behind the line this game.
Oh, okay. He's making up rules about bowling that aren't actually real.
I already lost a challenge on the channel to Cam because he fouled and I gave it to him, and I lost by like 8.
Cam, if you're watching this, you didn't foul, I promise. He's a liar. Oh, no 7 pins today.
He might be winning 200 bucks.
I put it.
I'm out of wood. I think I lost. Frame 1, it's over. He has, I guess, 15 in a row. That'd be sick.
25 in a row.
25 including the previous game of League. That would be unreal. If he shoots 300, he would have 36 in a row. Because he fouled, yes. Because he shot 290 his last game. Wow. And I need a lot of strikes this game. Thank God. That could have been really bad.
All right, folks at home, perfect example.
Shoot your spares straight.
Hook at your spares. I need to make it. There's an
If
asterisk.
you're going to junior gold,
If you're going to junior gold, you
Learn
throw
to
it.
shoot 'em
Learn to
straight.
throw them straight. I wouldn't throw it straight at a 2.8 or a 3.6, 9.10. Everything on Sports Shot, just about. Just remember that. Little left, little left, little left.
all right, there's a chance. Come on.
Ball didn't quite read it right. That's all right.
You've been lifting weight?
No. Left and fast. It's a stupid shot.
My God. He has so much room. He has so much room to shoot the spare.
Shut up.
Because he's hooking at it, because that's the appropriate thing to do.
Yeah, whatever. My 300 bonus. He threw that one pretty good. I'm so proud of him for striking.
The first strike's the hardest. What I've heard Mark Cuban say many times, the first million's always the hardest. It's like the first strike of the game.
Yep, that's how I live my life. I haven't reached the first million yet though. Good shot. Good shot.
Laced.
That's a pretty good ball.
Chirping.
Ooh. Man, was that bad. I hate throwing bad shots.
How many views you got?
Ooh. Mix them up. Mix them up. I think they should allow the players on tour when they're on TV to chirp at each other.
Yeah, should PBA players chirp more?
I think so. I think so.
Should there be
I
a
think
little
so.
more player-to-player
Yes.
violence on the lanes verbally? I knew this lane hooked a little more, and I just didn't move.
He missed that one like a 4.5 left from his last one. So I'm not surprised that he 8 pinned. Usually though, he 9 pins. So I guess this is less of a bad break. What does Randy Peterson, what does he always say? Every shot makes someone happy.
What do I always say? You deserve every break you get.
No. All right, 2 shots just now. Hit that pin, not strike.
If I throw the exact same shot under the exact same condition, the exact same result will happen. If the rack's the same, the speed's the same, the oil pattern's the same, the machines are the same, and my shot is the exact same, I'll hit pin again.
If every single thing's the same, how often is it the same?
Am I a robot? Yes. almost 9 pins.
That was a
Tell me you didn't see it almost 9 pins.
That would
Tell me you
have
didn't
been, that
see
would have been the perfect frame for a 9 pin. 8, 9.
Ah,
Boom, boom.
plenty of time.
So, 1 pin game, really it's 11 pins if you like do the whole max out your game stuff.
What's the halfway update? I'm down 11.
Technically 11.
Technically, that $200 currently has your name on it. And I think it might have his name on it at the end of the night. Oh, why? Oh my God. Why did it do that?
Packy, how are you gonna shoot this? This is a house shot. There's a bunch of hook to the left and there's a bunch of oil to his right.
I also would hook at this on a sport shot because if I miss it and I hook it in on a sport shot, I feel like I didn't miss it. I feel like the lane's missed it.
Yeah, me too. Every single time. Couldn't be me. Perfect. Just, oh, I lied.
Lane's hooked too much.
See, yeah, the lane hooked too much. That's not his fault. Pretty good ball. Yep.
I just didn't move far enough in.
That was a good ball.
I gotta keep it in, I gotta move in, and I gotta pray that you miss. Here, good shot.
Thank you.
Good shot ahead of time because he's gonna strike.
The old 3 and 2 left, accidentally. That was not on purpose. We call those foul line adjustments.
Or the approach adjustment, walking crooked. Either way.
Who we got, Boston or Golden State? Let me know.
If any of you say Golden State,
Packy is a huge Golden State fan.
Unsubscribe right now. I'm kidding, I love you all. And if you guys want to join my channel and become a subscriber, we can help pay Jerod more money on a weekly basis. Congratulations.
Thanks.
My max is 220. He has 220 on the double G.
Pretty good ball though. I think this just goes to show that last week was a fluke, and I felt bad for him. It's his channel, he shouldn't lose all the time.
Was I not fair?
You can have that one.
Hey,
It's been great playing with you.
my max is now 190, which is still 5 pins higher than my second game on this pair in league. I'm just back to my old ways.
That's a lot of strikes my last 3 games. If only it counted for something besides well, it's $200. That's more I made in league though. That's Packy's rent money right there.
I'm gonna be broke by the end of it. I have to pay a mortgage.
Where is a rosin bag that looks like a ball sack?
Take it. Thanks for watching episode 2 where Colton and I lost. What do you have to say about your performance? How can we get Jerod to lose next week? Post down below what you want us to do next week that you guys think Jerod will struggle with, and then we'll do that for the whole 2 games.
AKA playing left to fourth arrow.
Left to fourth arrow, everyone who's seen me bowl in college knows. Bring it.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Thanks you guys for sticking around all the way to the end. And as always, if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, please, it's well appreciated. We have a 60,000 subscriber giveaway going down below. First link in the description, 60K subscriber giveaway. When we get to 60K, we're giving away a bowling ball to one of you guys. And thanks for sticking around until the next one and until next week edition of Pro versus Amateurs. Peace.